Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. So today I'm doing a little swipe that I've been doing. This is a 10 by 10 inch gallery wrap canvas. I'm going to tape the back. I haven't done that yet. I just remembered I didn't do that. But I'll go through the colors with you, and I'm going to try a little experiment. I really don't know what's going to happen. It may totally mess the whole painting up, but I just wanted to try it, and I'm trying it live with you. Have not tried this before. So my base paint today, I'm using this beautiful color, and this is a mix, a custom mix, and I'm using Pebeo. What is the name of this one? Very Blue Iridescent, I believe this is. It's all covered up, but I'm pretty sure this is Very Blue Iridescent by Pebeo. I used some of that, and then I used some golden teal. I used a little of that, and then I put in a color art pigment. Oh yeah, God. Pigment Bling It color art, and this is Extreme Pastels, and I just put this in to give it a little more sparkle, and this is Robin's Egg. I used that, and I also put in a little bit of the iridescent medium. All right, so this looks good. The consistency is good. You want it to run off your stick. Colors I'm going to use today are some Deco Art 24 karat gold. I got some Liquitex Basics bright yellow green. I have some Artist Loft ultramarine. I have Blick fluorescent purple. I have golden turquoise phthalo. I have Artist Loft metallic purple, and some of my old trusty Anthraquin blue by Golden. All right, so what's the little surprise in the twist swipe today is I added to my normal floetrol and Amsterdam white paint mixture. I added one thing I added was this Unicorn Art crushed crystal mica powder, so I added that just to give it a little sparkle, and I added 3 drops of alcohol ink, white alcohol ink. So I want to see if it does anything different than it would normally. Just curious. So it's a thin consistency. It's 4 parts floetrol to 1 part paint, and then I added my additives. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and tape the back of my canvas, get my base paint down, and we'll get started. All right, so I wish you could see all the sparkle in this. It's so pretty. This is a beautiful mixture. All right, so I'm just going to pop my air bubbles. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and lay the color down and swipe. So I'm going to start with my Anthraquin blue, and let me just see something. Which way do I want to swipe it? Yeah. Okay. Sorry, I'm talking to myself. I do this a lot when I paint. How do I want to swipe? I'm going to do two little like this. So that's the blue. And let's go ahead and put down some of the fluorescent purple. Okay, well, there's not really that much difference from the alcohol ink, I don't think. I don't see anything anyway. I mean, we'll see what happens when it dries, I guess. Maybe a little bit more lacing or smaller lacing. Let's see. I have a piece here that I did. This is a video. I don't know if I put this out yet, but it's coming. Yeah, so I mean, I don't know. I don't really see much difference, but I'll tell you what, the sparkle in this is just amazing. Obviously, I put enough sparkle doodads in there, right? But it's so pretty. Love the colors. Love the background. Yeah, this is very pretty. I'm very happy with it. Hopefully me putting the alcohol ink in there will not do anything drastic to it. So I just wanted to see if there was any kind of effect you got from that. But I don't think there was. This is really pretty. Really shiny. All right. So let me know what you think. Comment below. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. If I can answer it, I'll be more than happy to. Make sure you go back to the video before this, a 2,000 subscriber giveaway. If you haven't already, comment on that video. You have to comment on that video, and you can enter to win one of 2 prizes. You got to go over there and see what they are. And if you're not subscribed here, I hope you consider subscribing and like and share and all that stuff. I'm really enjoying this channel, and I'm having fun doing all these different botanical art projects. Fun with mixing colors. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm having fun mixing colors. All right, so have a great one, and I will see you all very soon. Bye bye now.